Studio lighting can be overwhelming, but what if we told you it doesn't have to be so complicated?
It's getting crazy, guys. We're Arabella and Ellie, the duo behind Weekend Creative.
Being self-taught in commercial photography, we know firsthand how it feels to be intimidated by studio lighting.
Over the last several years, we've created images for brands such as Adobe, Lexar, The Honey Pot Co., and more, all while using simple lighting setups with minimal formal training.
In this course, we'll break down the fundamentals of lighting from terminology to essential equipment to simple, effective setups.
You'll learn how to communicate with light, set up your camera and strobes, and light your images with confidence.
We'll walk you through 1 light, 2 light, and 3 light setups, showing you how small adjustments can make a big impact.
Lighting is one of the most powerful tools in photography, and once you understand how to control it, you can create compelling, high-quality, professional images, no matter the budget.
We're here to make the process approachable, practical, and fun.
If you're ready to take your images to the next level, join us in Studio Lighting 101 for product photography.